Okay.
All right. You ready to rock and roll?
I'm ready.
All right. Welcome to COTA. It's a world-class track. It's very complex, very, very hard to master, and it's also very hard just to get down basic. It takes you a full weekend just to get the basic line down and the concepts down. So if you're ready, you put your arm out with a thumbs up, and that tells the grid workers that you're ready to go.
Okay. So I think we wait until we get going to do that?
Yeah, there we go. Oh, I forgot to ask you about your brakes. Looked like you had new rotors. How are your pads?
Pads are great.
Good.
Rotors I replaced because they warped to hell because every day is race day for me technically.
Oh, there we go.
I'm one of those people, unfortunately.
Okay. Well, everybody's got their addictions. I get it. I get it. Okay, so you can generally follow the line in front of you, but that's a little early on the turn in. You want to wait a little bit longer there. See the flag stand or the electronic flag there? So you want to bring it mid-track, just mid-track, hit the apex right there. You see it? Okay. You want to be over to the left there. This is where you want to tap the brake a little bit, bring the nose down, and then you just maintenance throttle through here. That means just a little bit of throttle in and out. Same with this is turn 5. You want to apex right there where the turtle is, and you want to keep it kind of really hugged to the right, but not get thrown too far out because you got to bring it all the way right, track right, and then turn left at hit the apex right there. Boom. Give it a little bit of throttle, and then you're gonna lift or tap the brake a little bit.
What is this Mustang doing? He's going way far out.
Well, don't worry about him. You just worry about what I'm telling you to do. Yeah, you will have to downshift coming up the hill. So this is a blind apex, so look down and it's right there, and then throttle out. This is a short straightaway. This is a good spot to give a passing signal to the left. But we'll wait until after this turn, then we'll give the pass to the left. Way early. You want to wait longer and do a late turn in.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and give a passing signal to the left. There we go. Signal to the next car. So this is the long straightaway. Braking. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Now turn in. So you could go a little faster and carry a little more speed through there.
Okay.
The next one is a right-hander. So you see where all the black marks are?
Yes.
You want to wait for those. So wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Ah, you're still too early.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Now maintenance throttle. Go ahead. Get it in there. More throttle, more throttle, more throttle,
Oh,
more
I'm full
throttle, more
on.
throttle.
This thing is slow.
Okay, all right. There we go. Late turn in now. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Now go. There you go. There you go. Use all that track. Nice, good. So you're going to go mid-track. This is the long carousel coming up. Wait too early. Way too early. You don't want to apex there, you want to apex right there.
Okay.
Yep. And just follow it around, giving it more and more throttle as you go. Might need to upshift. There you go. Alright, bring it back to the right. Gonna give a little tap with the brake. There you go. Now bring it left. Come on. Use all that track. Use all that track. There you go. Good job. Now give a pass signal to the left. Good job.
Wait off.
Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice turn. There we go. Now give another pass signal to the left. And go ahead and let the Mustang by as well. And go ahead and give a pass signal to the left. Can't tell what kind of car it is.
It's SPI.
Throttle out, good. Bring it back almost all the way to the left. Wait for it. Wait. Ah, don't turn it so early. Almost all of these are late apexes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we want to go mid-track coming in. Look for the apex right there. You see it?
Yep.
There you go. Good. Little brake. Now maintenance throttle all the way through. There you go. Make those tires work. Back to the right, and then it's going to be right back to the left. There you go. Throttle through there. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Then you're going to give it just a downshift. Downshift coming up the hill. Bring it all the way to the right. All the way to the right. Good, good, good. Now left. Go up that hill. Go, 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 go. Nice, 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 nice. Full throttle, flat out all the way. Wait for it, wait for it. Now start to turn in. There you go. Go get it. Pull out, pull out, pull out. Good. Nice, nice. That's a really complex area of the track. Yep. Get in, turn in. Good. Now give it throttle out. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Good job. Nice and smooth. Good job. Good smooth input. Scroll down. Alright, so relax, take a breath, check your mirrors, and enjoy the long straightaway ride. Like my car, it doesn't have much horsepower, right?
Yeah.
You could have a picnic back here.
Oh, that's
Straightaway. It's like we're on parade.
Yeah. Hopefully soon I'll be able to get my engine block going.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. Nice. We'll get it. Throttle, 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 throttle. Good, okay. So he's probably got a mechanical problem. So just,
Straight left.
Yep.
Side pads of a discern, or?
Yeah, you can get around him. Go ahead. You know, just,
what was that?
Go ahead.
The brake.
There you go. Okay, now we're back on.
Yeah, I was just trying to avoid that
Okay.
coming off this car.
Okay, I saw it. Go straight ahead to the billboards. Now turn in. Okay, get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there. Use all that track. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Nice. All right, we're going to go in mid-track.
I should have turned off traction control already.
Ah, okay. Wait for it. Now, wait. Now turn in.
Okay.
Now just throttle. Maintenance throttle. Keep the steering wheel set. And just use the throttle. Feed in throttle, feed in throttle, feed in throttle. Probably got it nailed anyway. All right, ready. Brake. And turn in. Go. Throttle. No, you want to get that shift. You don't really have to downshift there. Just stay in third. Okay. Now brake. It's downshift done. Are you going down to second there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. My bad. I only go down to the third.
It's all good. Yeah, this thing's got ridiculous steering.
Yeah, that's right. It's set up for the street. So, okay, doors. We're working what we got, man. All right, good job. All right, so stay on the throttle. The hill is going to help you brake. Now brake. Wait for it. Now turn. There you go. Use all those tires. Nice. Stay mid-track. Don't turn yet. Don't turn. Nope. Now go. Go. Nice. See? Better line. Much smoother. Much faster. Okay, we're going to be coming in fast. So keep going. Left. Now brake. There you go. Now turn. Nice. Much faster through here. Yeah, see? There you go. All right, maintenance throttle. All the way back right. Now back left. There you go. Much faster. Good job. Much faster. So we're going to have to shave off a little speed. So we're going to downshift. Brake and downshift. Get over to the right. There you go. Now back left. Full throttle. Flat out. Go. Whoa. Backwards. Corvette. What is all that shit strapped to the front of his car?
I have no clue.
That is stupid. You can't see. All right. Focus ahead. Yes, hairpin. Brake. All right, turn in. Perfect. Track out. There you go. Throttle. Come on. Feed it. Nice. Good job. All right, long straightaway. Relax. Deep breaths. Check the mirrors. Check the gauges. We're not too hot on anything, are we?
No, but looks good.
Okay.
I'm out of balance now.
Yeah. Slow the car a little bit. There's understeering, not liking it. Wait. Now go.
I was about to say, wait a minute, black lines.
There you go. A second set of black lines. How about that?
Yeah, that.
There's two sets there. There's two sets. There's an early turn and safe. Wait for it. Now get it in there. There you go. Nice. That's using all the track, man. I'm okay with that. Wait for it. Keep going. Now lift. Now on the gas again. There we go. Now it's going to be perfect. Watch this. Boom. Right there. Good. And just keep feeding in gas. There you go. Nice. Stay on it. Back to the right. Going faster. So more brake. Now turn in. I don't think you need to downshift there. It's a fast turn. So don't downshift there. Just give it a little brake and then we'll turn in.
Okay.
Alright, so brake. Just place that apex a little bit. That's okay. There we go. You want to get that downshifting done before the turn.
Okay.
Good job. Alright. I don't see any traffic behind us. We're relaxing. Really good, man. Keep going. Now brake, yes, 100. It's different for every car. See how you cheated in there? But you caught yourself. He's like, oh, that's too early. See?
Yeah.
Used all the track. Good job. Used all the track. That's what we want. That's our measure of success. Good job. Nice line there. Stay left now. Good. Now brake. Good. Nice. Nicely done. Good job. Well done. Alright, now we'll keep it tidy. Just use the maintenance throttle. Good. Nice and fast. Ready to bring back left. There you go. Back left. Good. Nicely done. Alright, brake and downshift. There you go. Get her up that hill. Full throttle.
Well, the slide a little bit there. I like it.
Yeah. Well, now we know, we got to figure out where the limit is. You can't drive the limit until you figure out where it is. Sorry, we want to turn a little earlier there.
Okay.
All right, wait till 100. Wait. Now brake.
Wait. Now?
Yeah, good. Yeah, you got this down. Now you're getting it. You're recognizing that you turned in a little bit late here. Good call. I didn't even see that. Pitch it in there. Nice. Throttle. Good job. All right, wait for it. Now go. Oh, it's going to finish. Man, it's still too early.
Yeah. A little early.
There you go. Use all that track. Pass to the right. Pass over to the right. There you go. Down the way down. Okay. A little early on that. Alright, coming out faster, so brake forward. Quick brake. Now turn it in. Good. Use that track. Go. Nice. Give another pass to the left. Alright, wait for the long straight, man. Yeah. Alright, good. Good brake point. Good job. A little early, but this will work. Use all that track. Yep. Good. right now. So there you go. There you go. Good adjustment. Good adjustment. All right, get your downshift done.
I
can't see.
He's getting close to my side right now.
Yeah, just keep going. Just keep going. He can't outpass you until you get him past him. Now get him past to the left. Yeah, I couldn't see him out of that. Yeah, he knows he's got 500 horsepower.
Yeah.
Is that your brakes?
I think on my tire.
Oh, okay.
And then I keep on hearing it. I'm just like,
Relax, deep breaths, what gauges, some traffic, check it clear. You're good, Tim. You're good. All right, take this all the way deep into the towards the 100. I think you're good. Just more. Yeah, we know where that limit is now. The tires are talking to us. There you go. Yeah, when you're at the limit, the car will squirm a little bit under braking, just like it did back there. Wait for it. Wait for it. Now go. There we go.
Yeah.
Get it in there. Get it in there.
I hear that's rubbing.
Yeah. Fine. Nice. Gas, gas, gas. Good. Good. So there's a few of them that we always need to turn into early. This is one. So wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Now go. Oh yeah, love it. Love it. Pitch it in there.
She's not liking it, but that's okay.
Yeah. There you go. Nicely done. Yeah, front wheel drives need to be kind of tossed around pretty hard to get the back end to rotate. Otherwise, you just push. You understeer everywhere. So I have to be kind of rough with the gas to get it in to rotate. Wait for it. Wait for it. You see that second kind of black set of lines?
Okay. Yeah.
This is your apex right there.
Okay. Yeah.
That way you can carry more speed to it. If you turn in early, it throws you way out there too soon. You want to be out right out there when it's perfect. Alright. So hold your fist out. And it's pit in time. Excellent. Well, good job, Tim. I hope to see you on the next one if you can get in.
Yeah, I'll definitely try.
I'll look for you on grid, and if I see you, I'll go ahead and jump in.
All right.
And that way we can stay consistent. So I want you to work on maintaining patience and wait for your turn-in time. That's the number one thing we're doing, is turning in too early consistently.
Okay.
And most of the turns on this track, if you haven't noticed, are late turn-ins.
Yeah.
Turn 19 is about the only one that's an early turn-in, just because you have so much track out you can use. Turn right here, and go all the way to garage 30, please.
There.
To drop me off. And I'll let you know when it is. It's past registration.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a good time. I had fun. Yeah, so work on that next time, on having a little more patience.
Okay.
We'll work on getting the inputs a little better, but generally you know the line, right? So I think your video games paid off a bit, because you got the line really quickly.